I bought a BMW i8. Once $120,000 supercar, and almost every celebrity had in their possession. But you know, your boy is not paying $120,000. I picked it up from a salvage auction yard for only $24,000. The car came with a bunch of surprises and things I did not expect. But you know, at the end, I figured it out. Watch the entire video from start to finish to see how it turned out. Let's get it.
Cruising down the highway, Hellcat speed. Cause you know my fine nigga tried, I'ma leave him. Devil cut up, I'm a real drink demon. Cut through fresh as fucking bitch. I'm
currently walking over to it right now. Cause the tow truck, I guess he don't know where to drop the car off at. See the I8? I'm telling him drop it though. How you doing? You see that lot right there? Can you fit in there and drop it off?
Like I told your man, they got a flat tire. I don't know if it's going to end it. I'll end up going too much. Just go, how y'all going to get from over there?
There's a flat tire on there.
It's on the end. Look at it. It's one on either the top busted or flat.
What, he gonna wait till he move?
Yeah. He got flat tires. He can work.
Yep. I'm on my Matt Armstrong. Here it is though. We got front bumpers messed up. We need that reflector light. Fenders messed up. But besides that, the other side mirror. Side swap. We're gonna wait. Here's under the car. This is what under i8 looks like. Suspension fine. That looks fine. You try to find the battery? You guys jump with me?
Damn, this is great. Spaceship.
Nothing's happening. Go for it. What was that?
The one up top, very similar.
Yeah, you good? Yeah, go straight. Get back. Hold up.
Yeah, connect them.
Go forward.
It's not letting you go forward.
Say it again.
So go back just a little bit. Got that bitch off.
Check engine light.
Yeah, we did that shit though. Yeah.
We got to cover this one with Sean.
You feel me? Big boy bucks.
26 scale.
Inside clean though.
Yeah, this is good condition for sure.
People have cars like this. It's like it wouldn't even make sense to trash this shit, bro.
He got a good hefty check from insurance though. Whoever's car this was.
Backup camera not working.
Ain't no gas, and it's a hybrid car, and it's not charged.
Hola.
How much?
$750. Let's make sure this shit will work. Multiple broken tabs repaired, okay.
A little situation done happen. First things first, new tire, because the tire shop ain't have no tires, so we towed the car here. The reason we towed the car here is because the door won't open, and since the door can't open, we gotta charge it. So that's plugged in. No power. And it has a manual key, but our key's not cut. So we fixed the last problem. I'm sorry I can't really record every single process, every single part of the build, but car's in the body shop now. Where's the fender? That's the body man right there. Car's in the body shop. We're gonna try to fix this fender, and we got a new fender for this side. We also ordered the paint. It'll be here tomorrow, but it's not that much work to do. Guys, a little broken tab on the bumper. I don't know how he's going to replace that. Besides that, once the paint comes tomorrow, he's going to work on it. I'm really excited to see how it turns out. I8 rebuilt. Like, this is the first car we really rebuilt in the exotic category. I don't know if you could, your I8 as an exotic car, but it is definitely a classic for sure. The new fender is in. Everything's done. And he's fixing the other fender. Oh, he's fixing the door right now. It's probably going to take him all day to be fixing that. He's putting a Bondo on the doors and the fenders and the quarter panel. The paint gets here today, so hopefully by the time he does that, he can prime everything down. He's painting the entire car so we don't have any like paint differences, I guess. So it don't mismatch the paint. So he's painting the entire car white. We could change the color, but we can't do that. But then you have to paint inside. The whole car is carbon fiber, so I cannot wait. Holy moly, let's go see. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, whole car is painted, whole car is over with, whole car is done. Everything's painted, everything's pearled. It looks great. No, you have to see. It looks great. Everything's back together. Only thing we gotta do is get check engine oil. Wash the car. Now we gotta go get it washed. I'm gonna try to get some footage of it being washed. And then we're gonna take it on the ride.
Certified, Mr. Emmett.
You see, inspection's done. Check engine's passed. It's a little bit dirty, so I'm about to go over there. Okay, I'm about to go over there and do a pre-wash. because our detailing guy is booked until Monday, Tuesday. He can't fit this one in just yet. I don't got my camera. This is my phone. And I'm gonna be bumping music, so I can't really do much. It also got an alignment. Took the tint off. It's looking pretty decent in here.
Yeah, started rocking with me, shit on that. White shit thick like Doja Cat. Fucking out the money, you wrong for that.
All right. How you doing?
The only part of the hood is up, right?
Yeah. I don't have a hood latch, so I can't close it. Yeah. I'm good.
Need the receipt? Have a good one.
Appreciate you.
Bitch a pass, trapping in the studio on glass. Brick a bell to get the trash. I was taught to play.
Ooh. Don't mind the headlight though. Oh no, you good. You go ahead. Huh? I8. No. 15.
I can't tell the difference in these things.
Yeah, 15.
I'm looking at buying one of these things.
Yeah.
What's your opinion on these things?
Oh, opinion. I don't like the engine.
Because it's a 3-cylinder?
Yeah, I don't like the engine.
But since it has an E-assist, doesn't it help out a lot
Yeah.
when you take off?
It's definitely, I think 300 horses maybe.
I mean, it's a good looking car.
Yeah, it's not bad.
And I know they have the
Not
Rocket
bad,
Bunny kit for these things, or Liberty Walk kit for these. That, I mean,
I think the new ones, they have the roadster. At that light,
Okay.
we're the one at the corner.
oh, okay.
Yeah, we're the one at the corner.
Like Hector's or some shit like that? Wasn't it?
Ford Motor.
What?
It's across the street from a car
I'll
wash.
stop over tomorrow and take a look at it.
Okay.
I've been looking for one.
Yeah, we got one.
Can I open the door?
Yeah, go ahead. It's sick. It's sick. Now this is crazy work. This is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Because they got no space. I don't think comfort isn't up there at all. Anybody want applesauce?
Push P. Yeah, push P.
Oh, it is showing. It's right there. Oh. I was trying to see. Ooh. In its final form. In its final form, the build is done. Yeah, I think it's a V3. They could have put at least V8, V6, something.
They could have made 2 models. Yeah. This one and put one with like a the price would
it's cute
skyrocket.
Especially now for 30 bands, that's not bad.
Down the highway, Hellcat speed. Cause you know my fire nigga tried, I'ma leave him. Double cut up, I'm a real drink demon. Cut through fresh as fucking bitch, I'm not shopping it.